Once you are in your dashboard, you can switch between the profiles that you have created. Once you're in a profile, it will tell you on the left hand side which profile you're acting as, so I am acting as myself here. I can then update any details on my own profile using the left hand navigational, for example the bio. I can make the changes here. If I wanted to update my timeline, I would just navigate to this. And then if I wanted to switch and update someone else's, such as my grand's, I would just click on her name and it will all update to then be editing as Margaret Mellon. Now, as my gran has passed away, one thing that I can do that I believe will be a key feature for some of your customers after they've created a profile, there is a button. If they've passed away, they can click this button, which is the order of service leaflet. And in a second, it will just give you a leaflet essentially that's created from the information that's part of their profile. This can then be printed out and distributed at funerals, and the QR code can be scanned, and that will take you directly into their showcase page. So let me just show you what that looks like. This is the showcase page, which once they scan the QR code, they'll be taken here. It allows everyone in attendance to really get a full picture of who the person was. It's something they can take away. Anyone can view it. They don't need to sign up as long as the profile is public, which again can be made public for the funeral and at a later date made private. If it is private, people can sign up to the website, add Margaret or whoever else as a friend, and connect with them, and that way they can view it anytime. So they can just quickly view here who Margaret was, any memories that have been added here. So I've got a couple examples of her daughter's wedding and her honeymoon, which is shared with a couple of people as well. We've got a timeline of her life. This feature hasn't been used in Margaret's profile, but you can record voice stories, so you can really capture who the person was. This can be uploaded as a video, pictures, or just a voice recording, all done within the website itself. You can view a family tree. So we've got our husband, our daughter, and grandchild, myself. We also have a guest book feature where this can also be hidden as well if you don't want to use it, but essentially people can write their name and leave a message as well. And we've got interests, so what their hobbies were, their education, music, films, just anything that really made them who they were. And this page can be shared easily either by creating a link or a QR code, or we also have the button here for the order of service leaflet, which I showed you earlier.